Check guys, what's up? Welcome back to Farm for Life. Guess what? We've just set up Farm for Life support. So for $8.50 a month, you guys are going to get some freaking real cool content. So obviously you've seen me out and about on farm and, you know, trying to educate the world about what we do, the full 360 view of farming. But a lot of you guys have been wondering who this chick is in the background. That's my darling Courts. Now, she's a freaking character in herself. So, she's going to be jumping on board with Farm for Life and showing us all the crack up shit that she gets up to. So if you jump on board with Farm for Life support, we're going to be putting videos up with her and her absolute character of a bloody personality that she is. So my darling, few quick little quirky traits about her. She's the loudest burp I've ever met. She's bloody funny. She's out the gate, got the biggest laugh. So I'm like a big laugher, but when she laughs, it's like, holy bloody atu moly, listen to that chick laugh. So she's got a crack up laugh, crack up sense of humour. She's she's pretty quick witted as well. Gonna learn about what she's been up to. She can, like, honestly go from a frickin' waking up in the morning to absolute supermodel. She's pretty mickey on the old makeup, so she's going to be doing hopefully a few makeup tutorials for you ugly fellas out there, and maybe for some of you Sheilas that want to look a little bit suave. And also, she's mean in the kitchen, man. Obviously, got a few skin folds myself, so she's going to be chucking up some cooking videos, maybe 2 or 3 a week, hopefully. So we're going to be doing some cooking tutorial videos. We're also going to do some fitness videos with you guys. So we started a group page called Farm Fit probably about a year ago. We haven't fed it very much because we've just been so busy with Farm for Life. But Courtney's going to be, she does all our programming for our functional fitness gym in town called the Barracks. So we're going to start up home workout videos for you guys. Yeah, I'm freaking excited to see her on camera. She's a freaking dag, man. And also, yeah, we've been engaged for about 4 or 5 years, so we're looking at hopefully getting married sometime soon as well. So we might start putting some videos up about us getting ready for that and preparing our wedding. So not going to let go of too many surprises, but that's what you guys are going to get, guys. So if you want to be a Farm for Life support, I think it's $8.50 a month, which is bugger all. She's going to lighten up your guys' days, especially you chicks out there that are staying at home on farm. My darling's obviously a mum. She's going to talk to you guys, give you guys a big rundown on what she gets up to every day, and yeah, sort of what she gets up to other than being on farm. So looking forward to it. Anyway, hope you guys subscribe. All the funds are going to go to our McDonald's breakfast. Anyway, catch up, have a mean week. Sure.
Zoom in.
Fly, my pretties!
Oh, thank you, Masa. Thank you, my sensei. Thank you. Ah, yada.
Shaggy! Scooby! What are you doing?
Oh my god. Lulu is live. It's live.
You ready? Okay, babe.
Trying to get a picture with the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, I thought you were trying to get a picture of me and my dead tooth in the Eiffel Tower.
There it is.
There's the Eiffel Tower there, look.
No, that's the Eiffel Tower.
You're a dick. Feels like people behind the camera. Ready, set, go. Go! Hurry up. Ready, you have to do one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
When should I go?
Now! Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hurry up, ready? No. You're making me look like an idiot because everyone's watching us. Ready?
Anyone want a dog? Free dogs. Free to a good home. I just can't with these dogs. They just fucking stand there barking at me. Fuck. Off.
Miss Jojo. I am a large-brained monkey. My goal is to destroy the Powerpuff Girls. They will regret ever meeting me.
Or maybe we just look like sock puppets. Fuck, these hormones, eh? Look how far back my hairline is. So, I'm feeling like we should get the fuck out of here. And he's trying to film. Let's go.
I'm trying to relax, and you just will not stop humping me.
So we don't normally get Missy on the old camera, eh, babe? Is it because you're shy?
It's because I've got a fat face.
So, go you do yours. Oh!
Rasputia.
Little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't.
That's all you're getting. Yeah!
Not bad.